This is the second class, types of random variables. Random variables is of two types. How many types? Two types. Two types of random variables. One is discrete random variable. Second one is the continuous random variable. Discrete random variable means we can take the definition of the discrete random variable. The definition of the discrete random variable is a random variable capital X which we can take only a finite number of discrete values in an interval of domain is called a discrete random variable. What is the discrete random variable? A random variable capital X which we can take only a finite number of discrete values, which values can be taken in an interval of domain is called a discrete random variable. In other words, it can be defined in if a random variable takes the values only on the set 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, n is called a discrete random variable. What is the discrete random variable? A random variable capital X which can take only a finite number of discrete values in an interval of domain is called a discrete random variable. For example, toss a coin. Toss a coin means the sample space has head and tail, and X is a mapping from S to real values. If X of S can be defined as the number of heads, in this, the range of X is equal to 0, 1. Such type of the examples are taken as discrete random variable. And one more example, throwing a die, it has also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we can throw two dice at a time, we can take the addition of or summation of the appearing the values or on the faces of the dice. That is also one more example. In that the sum is from 2 to 12. In that the values are finite. In the same way, the example is the typing of a or printing in a book. The mistakes on the pages, that is also finite. And the defective bulbs in the manufacturing unit in a day, that is also finite. Such type of the examples or such type of the experiments are related to the discrete random variables. The continuous random variable means a random variable X can be taking all possible values. All possible values means it's a continuous values. Such type of the random variable is called as continuous random variable. Okay. A random variable capital X which can take all possible values continuously. That is, which takes all possible values, it's a given interval. It takes all possible values in a given interval is called a continuous random variable. For example, the height of a person in a class. In this, we can take in the centimeters or in inches, even in the digits, that is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, like that, 4.3. When decimals also taking in the heights. In the same way, the weight of a person in a class and temperature in a day, in each and every moment, and time, these are related to the continuous random variable. Why? Because temperature means it is 35.6 degrees, 36 degrees, like that. Time means 12 o'clock or 12:15, 12:20, 12:30. That's up to, in a 24 hours, we can take each and every minute and second also considered in a continuous random variable. Such type of the examples are related to the continuous random variable. Next topic, probability function. The probability function, in this we can discuss some examples. Suppose, in already we discussed the same examples. The first example is throwing a die. It is a experiment. In the experiment of the throwing a die, that is a random experiment, the sample space has the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And suppose capital X is a variable, that is a discrete random variable. Why? Because these numbers are finite numbers. So when we can take the integral values are finite, in that case, X is a random variable that can be mapping from S to the real numbers. Here, the each and every, suppose the S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, in that the condition is the same numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Appearing of the numbers only we can take as the random variable, discrete random variable values. Here, the probability function, X is a function, that function can be defined from S to R. Then here, fx of X is a probability function. This fx of X can be taken as probability of small capital X is less than or equal to small x. That we can take. Here we know that in a sample space, the probability of one phase is the 1 by 6. The probability of two phase is also 1 by 6. Why? Because the getting of 2 is only one favorable outcome. The total outcomes are 6. In the same way, probability of 3, probability of 4, probability of 5, probability of 6, all are equal probabilities, that is 1 by 6 only. So here the probability function can be taken in a discrete random variable capital X, in that the function P of X, that is P of X means here we can taking as probability of X is equal to 1, is equal to 1 by 6. This 1 by 6 is the probability of value, that is the probability of outcome. So this P of X, small p of X is called probability function or probability density function of a discrete random variable capital X. In this, the probability function P of X gives the measure of probability for different values of X. That is one, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4, like that. Okay. Here, probability of function, this that is nothing but probability of density function or probability of mass function can be defined as fx of x is equal to p of x less than or equal to x. That depends. Here, in this case, we can take the functions in the coordinate geometry. How to derive means it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here the parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6 equal to 1. So each and every probability value here, the y-axis we can take as P of x is the probability. And on the x-axis we can take number of outcomes. That is nothing but number of die. Okay. Here each and every probability is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 only. So this is the probability function. These are the probability functions. In the same way, the another example is toss two coins at a time. Two coins. That is nothing but the sample space has two heads, head, tail, tail, head, and two tails. It is equal to S1, S2, S3, S4. In this, the discrete random variable capital X, S2R, then X of S1 is equal to, or X of S can be defined as number of heads. In the number of heads means the range X, the range of X is equal to set of 0, 1, 2. Okay. These examples are also related to the discrete random variable, the probability function on discrete random variable. Here we can take the probability values, how we can define. Here, probability of 0, that is nothing but no heads. No heads is 1, that is 2 tails. The favorable outcome is 1, total outcomes are 4. Probability of x is equal to 1, that is equal to only one head appears. 2 favorable outcomes, total outcomes 4, that is 1 by 2. Probability of 2 heads appear on the coin, that is 1 favorable outcome, total outcomes are 4. These are the probability relations. These are called as probability functions. That is also here we can take as in the graph, this is equal to 0, it is 1, it is 2. Why? Because here range of x equal to 0, 1, 2. So here x is the discrete random variable and the y-axis is, here it is nothing but number of heads and y-axis is the probability. This is equal to 1 by 4, it's 2 by 4, it's 3 by 4, it's 4 by 4 is 1. For probability of 0 is 1 by 4, probability of 1 is 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2, probability of 2 is 1 by 4. So this is the graph is related to the discrete random variable and its probability. Okay. Again, recall the definition of the probability function. If for a discrete random variable capital X, the real valued function p of x is such that capital P of x equal to small x is equal to small p of x. The small p of x is called as the probability function, that is density function, and capital P of x is the probability function. It's nothing but that capital P is x to r, and in this P of capital P of x equal to small x is equal to small p of x, it is the probability value. For example, P of 1 is equal to 1 by 6 in a throwing a die. Here probability function P of x gives the measure of probability for different values of x. That is the definition of the probability function. Here the probability function can be satisfied some properties. We know the properties in the probability case. In this, each and every probability value should be greater than or equal to 0. In the same case, here small p of x is said to be probability function of a discrete random variable capital X. That is nothing but it has the value either greater than 0 or equal to 0. And the summation of all probabilities should be equal to 1. And the probability of any random variable or probability function cannot be negative. We know that that is in probability and statistics, the basic properties these are. Next definition is the probability distribution function. It is very, very important. Probability distribution function. The function, the probability is distributed to the function. In this, the probability function means the capital X is a random variable. In that, the probability function P of x is associated with the x random variable. Here, distribution function means the probability distribution function means the probability distribution associated with the random variable and is defined as the probability that the outcome and experiment will be one of the outcomes for which x of s is less than or equal to small x. That is nothing but the function capital F of x or f of suffix x of x means that is random variable capital X of the probability distribution function. It is defined by f of x is equal to p x is less than or equal to x such that is equal to p of s such that x of s is less than or equal to x. In this, the x values lies in between of minus infinity to infinity. It is called as distribution function. What is the distribution function? F of x or f suffix x of x is a probability distribution function. It can be defined as fx of x is equal to p of x is less than or equal to small x. That is equal to p of s such that x of s is less than or equal to small x. It's a real values. Then the probabilities up to small x values addition is called as probability distribution function of x. Again, x is a random variable. The probability distribution function is associated with the random variable capital X and it is defined as the probability That probability is the outcome of the experiment will one of the outcomes, that is x of s is less than or equal to x, and x is belongs to capital R, that is the real value. For example, the previous toss a coin or throwing a die, in that x of s h or h is less than or equal to x means that is 0 or 1 something. So in that, how many up to 1 is means we can take 0 probability and 1 probability, that we will get that how many probabilities are lesser in between, lesser in the small x variable. The adding of all probabilities is called as the probability distribution function. And the probability distribution function satisfies some properties. Those properties are very, very important properties. These here, the first property is capital F is the probability distribution function of the random variable capital X. And here the limits means it is a comma b, that is nothing but satisfies the relation a is less than b. Then p of a is less than x is less than or equal to b equal to f of b minus f of a. Here we can take probability of a after what is there. Here f of b means f suffix of x is equal to p of x is less than or equal to x, that is nothing but here f of a is equal to what are the previous values are there up to we can take p of x equal to x is less than a or equal to a. Here f of b means a is less than or equal to means f of b is equal to p of x equal to a after what is there a1 plus p of x equal to a2 up to p of x is equal to b. The summation of these all minus the previous what are there. Here probability of x suffix b means the previous values up to minus infinity to these will come, and here minus infinity to up to a will come. Subtract means what we have a to b means only from a to b what are the values a1 to b values. So here f suffix of b means from minus infinity to up to b values will come. Here a means minus infinity to up to a values will come. But we have only a is less than, x is less than or equal to b means a is also eliminated. So we can take f of b minus f of a. It is the basic rule. In that no p of x is equal to a. Why? Because less than relation. When it is included, that is also included means we add that probability. If excluding of right hand side of the limit means we can eliminate, that is nothing but subtract. If left hand side is included, right hand side is excluded means adding of the left hand side probability value, subtracting the right hand side probability value. And if the end probabilities are if the 0, in that case the all probability of a is less than, x is less than or equal to b. Why? Because if these values are zeros, then for each and every relation of this probability will get only f of b minus f of a. So when the probabilities of end values are zeros, then the relation is whatever the relation, excluding, including, then we get only f of b minus f of a only. You have to remember these properties, very, very important. Next, third one. All distribution functions are monotonically increasing. Monotonically increasing means in the same relation how the increasing value. And that lies in the function lies in the interval 0 to 1. In that, the f is a probability distribution function, capital F is the distribution function of a random variable capital X, then it satisfies the relation. It should be lies in between of the same limits, 0 to 1 only, and including of endpoints. Why? Because the negative values of the probability is equal to 0, the positive values of the probability up to infinity, means adding of all positive probability values, we should get the 1. Why? Because we know that summation of the probability of X is equal to 1 for all I values. Okay. The second relation is if X is less than Y is increasing relation, then the distribution function is also increasing relation. These are the basic properties for probability distribution function. Okay.